Kia ora everyone, we are week 20 and we have extended our stay in Adelaide because the hot water broke after 2 weeks, which is pretty disappointing. But we are going to enjoy some of the more of the pleasures that Adelaide have. Check this out. You ready, kids?
Yes! Yeah!
Alright, so check out those highlights. We'll catch you at the end. Cheers. Okay, can you see yourself in there? How does that look? Kia ora everyone. So this week we're going to talk to you about power. Now this is one of two things that are consumed when you are off-grid. It's power and water. And what we have done is install the Enerdrive 100-watt charger to help us with restoring that power that we are losing. Now, on every van these days, they come with solar panels. We have 400 watts of solar panels on the roof of the caravan, and we have a 200 amp hour battery. And generally, when it's sunny, well, this battery gets charged by the solar. But what we found when we were spending 2 months in Tasmania is that a lot of the off-grid places actually have a lot of good tree cover, which is great because it keeps the sun out, but we need the sun for the solar. So we found that our 30 amp charger, which came standard with the caravan, took about 5-6 hours if the battery was absolutely drained to fully charge. 6 hours is not fun because you're burning up a lot of fuel. The kids are outside doing homeschool, and that generator running in the background's not great. And you know, we want some peace and quiet, so do our neighbors, and we want that for them as well. So the solution that we have come up with is to install the 100 amp charger, not to replace the 30 amp, but as a booster to the 30 amp. So imagine 30 amps coming in from the generator when we're off grid, and it's taking 7 hours. Instead of just 30 amps, we now have this Enerdrive 100-watt charger boosting, so 130 amps is now coming in. And when you think about that, it's only a 200 amp hour battery. In short, under 2 hours, or let's say 2 hours roughly, we are charging the battery from absolute zero right through to 100. So we're never really under 30%. So look, in an hour, we're generally going to be topped up now, or we have been topped up now, thanks to this 100-watt charger. So look, it's something that we found interesting as we've learnt. We're so thankful that we've got the charger now because we can just charge up and use the van off grid like we always would if we were on grid. So we can turn the inverter on, we can run the jug, we can turn the microwave on, probably not running the aircon. That's probably a stretch too far when you're off grid, but just being able to throw that charger on and top the batteries up just before bed just means if there's some nights that we want to flick the TV on and put the inverter on and put the old mattress massage function on as well, then now we feel a heck of a lot more comfortable doing that. So looking forward to a lot more off-grid. Highly recommend checking out your charger setup. Again, we set this up as a booster more because it was an easy add-on to do. Actually replacing the 30 amp charger was out of the question. It was going to cost too much. We had to rewire a whole bunch of things, but we're really thankful for the team at JJ's Caravan Repairs in Melbourne for installing this for us so quickly. So I hope your off-grid setup is awesome, and we look forward to learning more about off-grid later in the year, which you will see on this channel. We'll chat to you soon. Cheers.